Hello, my name is Sequoia. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sacks, and I'm here today to do a review on these Dollar Tree headbands and half wigs, how to create this look right from the Dollar Tree. So before we get into that, there's a few things I'm going to ask you to do. If this is your first time coming over to Silky Sacks, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much. Here at Silky Sacks, we do tutorials, wig reviews, we give hair tips, we review hair products, and it's free every Monday and Friday. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. And if you're watching over on Facebook, we love you over on the FB too. On both platforms, you guys, please give this video a like and then comment down below so I'll know you're in the building. Let's have a conversation. Are you in on this trend, this headband wig trend? Do you have some headband wigs that you've been rocking? Let's talk about it. Here at Silky Sacks, we know how important it is to not only take care of your wigs, but also to take care of your hair underneath. That is why we have put together a new free PDF, tips to take care of your hair underneath your wigs. The link to it is down in the description box. It is free. Once you're done watching it, go ahead and check out the description box and download it. Get some information. Start protecting your hair. And last but not least, every single video, I love to send a shout out to my subs. My subs are my Silky Chicks. Without you guys, I would have no one to share my wig addiction with. I love you guys so very much for all of your love and support. So today's shout out is going to Fantisha Sharifa. I hope I'm saying your name right, Fantisha Sharifa. She watches all of my videos. I appreciate you so much, Fantisha. She comes in the live, she chats with us, she hangs out. She's an awesome Silky Chick. I want to say thank you so much for showing all the love and support. I see you in the comments. I appreciate you, sis. Now, without further ado, let's get into why you hit that button. Let's talk about these half wigs and these Dollar Tree headbands. So, you guys, I must admit, I am not the biggest person on following trends. I do like trends. I participate in trends, but trends come and go. And so if I do participate, I like to get them on a budget or on a lower price, right? Because trends don't last forever. So when I went to the Dollar Tree, which let me just tell you now, it's one of my favorite stores, and I seen all of these beautiful, headbands for $1, I was like, yes, let's do it. Let's get these headbands and let's do this. Let's get in on this headband trend that is going on, because unless you've been sleeping in the rock, or if you watch a lot of YouTube videos, you know people are going crazy right now for these wigs. So they have everything out there from human hair wigs with headbands already sewn on them to wigs that people are like creating on your own. And so that's what I did, and so that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to be showing you two looks. I'm going to do the first look with this half wig by Sensational. It's the UD5 unit. I did review UD5, and I'm going to put the link to this wig as well as the original review down in the description box below. And then the second looks that I'm going to be doing is Sensational's Passion Twist 28-inch wig. I also originally reviewed that. I will put the link in the description box as well as the original review down in the description box. So if you have some older half wigs, like this one is an older half wig for me, or if you have an older unit, doesn't matter if it's synthetic or human, that is pretty much, you know, shady with the hairline or just older, or you think you're going to get rid of it, don't. Go to your local Dollar Tree. I know a lot of people are also ordering on Amazon. You can get them there cheap too, but the Dollar Tree is super cheap. It's super convenient. Get you a few different looks, and then all you have to do is rock it with your headband, and then you don't have to worry about hairlines or anything like that. It's very easy and simple, so let's get into it. So for this first look, I've already laid my hair down and put on my wig cap. You just want to slick down your edges and bring them back. I know my braids are a little fuzzy, y'all. Don't judge. But you want to slick your hair back. Go ahead and lay those baby hairs down and just leave a little bit out. put the wig cap on, leaving the front section of your hair out for your half wig. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get my UD5 half wig, put it on, and pull it right till it's covering up the half wig, and you just want to leave a little bit of your own hair out, and then put the half wig on. You can also secure with bobby pins instead of using the combs. If you want to do that, I would recommend that just because it's easier on your edges. And then you just want to plop your headband right on over it. So let's go ahead and get into these first looks. The second unit, it is Sensational's braid unit. You want to just take your cap and pull it all the way up so that you will be hiding your ends and your edges underneath, since it's a full wig. And then you just want to go ahead and place the wig on. And because you are wearing a headband, you don't have to worry about laying those edges down. Just go ahead and start putting your different headbands on. So the wig still had the half up ponytail from my original review, so I took it down so the hair could lay straight down so you could see other looks that you can create with the headband wig. So share down in the comments below which headband was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on Friday. Remember, better care is better wear.